Hello, everyone. A warm welcome to the session on PL-900, which is Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals. So, Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals is going to give you a brief understanding of what is Power Platform, what are the foundational components of Power Platform, and what is it going to do in your career development. So, before I go into the course, I would like to give you a small introduction about me, who is your trainer. I'm Dr. Sushma Uday Kamath. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and a subject matter expert. I have about 11 plus years of experience and I have a PhD in drone technology in 3D environment. When it comes to the certifications, I have all the certifications from the PL-900 level, which is the foundational fundamental level, to the solution architect level, which is PL-600. Along with the Microsoft Power Platform certifications, I also have some certifications from multiple other domains as well. When it comes to training, I have trained more than 1,000 plus professionals across the globe. I feel very proud to share that I'm the winner of MCT Quality Awards for the year 2024, which was announced early this year. So that's a little about me. So now let me talk a little about Power Platform. So before I move ahead, let me now take you to the agenda of this particular course. Let me share my screen for that. Here is the agenda. In the module 1, I'm going to explain you the business value of the Microsoft Power Platform. In the module 2, it is going to be a discussion on the foundational components of Microsoft Power Platform. Module 3 is going to help you understand how can we build the applications with Power Apps. Module 4 is going to help you build automation with Microsoft Power Automate. Module 5 is going to help you understand the capabilities of Power BI. Module 6 is going to help you understand the capabilities of Microsoft Power Pages, followed by the last module, which will explain you the concepts of AI authoring experience in Power Platform. Some of the concepts mentioned here also have the labs coming along that I'll be demonstrating as and when I complete the theoretical part. I request everybody to complete this course and definitely take up the certification because Microsoft itself says that it gives you a lot of confidence and an industry validation after gaining a certification. So it also makes you stand confident in your abilities. And that's why here is a little about the PL-900 exam. From the first module, which is describing the business value of Power Platform, you can expect about 20 to 25%. When it comes to foundational components of Power Platform, it is going to be 10 to 15%. Coming to the capabilities of Power BI, it is 10 to 15%. When it comes to capabilities of Power Apps, it is going to be again 20 to 25%. Next, the capabilities of Power Automate 10 to 15%, capabilities of Power Pages 1 to 5%, and the last one, AI authoring experience in Power Platform, will be some 10 to 15%. That's going to be the weightage from the multiple topics. To prepare for the exams, you can be watching multiple exam prep videos, reviewing the exam study guide. You can be checking multiple exam experience with Exam Sandbox, and also can you take some practice assessments. That's a little bit about the introduction to the topic as well as introduction about the trainer. Let us first make your foundation right, make your foundation strong with the fundamentals of Microsoft Power Platform with today's course.